Okay, so we're waiting for Megan to grab the ice, but we're starting our trip, so we're very excited. Right, Raiden? Forgot my phone was plugged into the charger. Raiden's ready. We got the car packed. We're ready to go. And yeah, we're just waiting for Megan to grab ice because we didn't want to take the baby out of the car and stuff. She should be out any minute. We're like right at the store that, right when they opened, right at 7 a.m. We got everything we got done that we needed to get done. We got gas. We got Red Bulls for later. And now we're gonna go get dunks right after she drops off the ice. So we're excited. But yeah, when she gets back, I will film it. Yay, she came back with the ice. Got the cooler packed. We're just gonna pour it right over all of our things. How much
Red Bull,
like $1, right? Or like a couple bucks?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bitch. These are my good.
A bigger hole. This is not working.
That's what she said. Market basket, shout out. Anyway, we're gonna get back in the car.
The bag of ice.
Okay, that should be enough, right, for the day?
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
All right, let's go get some Dunkin' Donuts.
It's got those all over your car.
That's okay. All right, Bubba, you ready? Let's go. Hey guys, we're back. We're almost there. It took us a little bit longer than we expected, but yeah. But that's okay.
But we're almost there.
Show them the view, Megan. It's like mad pretty. You can't just like reverse the cameras. I'm like so excited. It's like so pretty. Raiden's gonna have a good time. He's sleeping, so he's gonna be nice and energized.
Woohoo! We brought a bunch of the sand toys.
Yep, we got sand toys and everything. So
woohoo! Beach trip, first one of summer 2019.
Hell yeah.
Well, second one. First one with the best friend though.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we just made it. We got in for free because of Megan, because she's a vet. But we're here. Ding, ding, ding.
We really have to pee.
Yeah, we really have to pee. We had like 2 coffees and we have to unload the car, so yay! We are here.
What are you doing? You
Look at my cute man.
Your cute best friend.
Lucky you. Raiden. And your little Speedo. What are you doing, kid? He's trying to eat the sand.
Yeah, he's been eating it. There's nothing you can do about it.
Look at... Ooh, crazy man. Alright guys, we're on like an adventure in the wilderness on our beach day. In the middle of New Hampshire. There's like a cute little bridge. I don't know if you can see it behind me. Oh yeah, you kind of can. As I'm like squinting. But it's really sunny, but it's really cool. I have like my backpack as a baby, but bathing suit.
Sunburnt life.
Yeah. Yay, girl time. I love it. I need it in my life.
Yes. Girl time.
So we're gonna do some TikToks and go to the beach, and Raiden's having a great time. We're gonna go see him, but he's with Nana right now, so
yay, Nana.
We're gonna have some non-kid time right now.
Everyone needs it.
I know, word. All right, see you later. Just had some lunch, all cleaned up, chilling. chilling, enjoying the view. Bobo is exploring. So, what are you gonna do? And your button's buried! Oh! Scared of piggers! Scared of piggers! No eating the sand, crazy. What are you doing? Mama bury your toes? Mama bury your toes! Where you going? Alright, so we had a super long day. We're about to drive. Oh my god, I'm so red. Wow, that's crazy. We had so much fun. Raiden's back there shaking his maraca. And yeah, we're about to head out. Okay. We got our Red Bulls, so we're ready to go. Okay, bitch? Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Alright, well, we just got home, so we're going to unload the car. So this is the end of the video, so like and subscribe. Woo-hoo!